Imagine you've been asked to reduce the overall weight of this drone assembly. Where do you begin? When it comes to identifying components that negatively impact performance in an assembly, it's not always obvious where to start, especially if the assembly consists of hundreds or even thousands of parts. That's where SOLIDWORKS Assembly Visualization comes in. This evaluation tool allows you to sort and rank components to easily identify the most important ones based on criteria that you specify, whether you're looking for the heaviest components, the slowest to load, specific materials, or something else. In this video, we'll show you how to use it to quickly sort, color code, and pinpoint the parts that matter most so you can make smarter design decisions and optimize your products. Here, we have a quadcopter drone. Our goal is to evaluate whether we can reduce its overall weight. One option would be to open each individual part or subassembly and manually record its mass properties. But of course, this would be a very slow and time-intensive process. Instead, let's launch Assembly Visualization from the Evaluate tab. Right away, we're given a sortable list of every component in the assembly. By default, parts are sorted by mass, ideal for weight-sensitive designs like this one. SOLIDWORKS also provides a helpful color gradient from red to blue. This gives us an instant visual reference for what's driving the weight of our drone. To make analysis even easier, we can group and color code identical components. From this view, we can quickly see that the battery and the mainframe are the heaviest contributors. If reducing battery weight isn't an option, our next best opportunity is the mainframe. Right from this interface, we can open it directly to explore potential material changes or design optimizations. And again, we're not just limited to mass. We can add and sort by other useful properties like graphics triangles, open time, or even vendor, depending on your design goals. Whether you're trying to reduce mass, improve performance, or streamline supplier selection, Assembly Visualization helps you see what's driving your design. For more advanced assembly tips and tools like this, including interference detection in large design review, speed pack for subassemblies, and more, check out the SOLIDWORKS Update Training course.